In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name on Facebook. To get started, open your web browser and go to facebook.com, then sign into your account. Make sure you're logged into the correct profile before making any changes, especially if you manage more than one account or share a device with someone else. Once you're on Facebook, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile picture. This opens the main account menu where you'll find the settings related to your profile and privacy options. From that menu, choose Settings and Privacy and then click Settings. This will take you to the main settings area for your account. Facebook updates its layout from time to time, but these options are usually grouped in a similar place, so don't worry if the page looks slightly different. Next, open Account Center. This is where Facebook manages key account details that may also connect across other Meta platforms. Inside Account Center, click on Personal Details. This section includes important identity information tied to your account. Now select Name. You'll see the current name listed on your Facebook profile along with the option to edit it. Enter your new name carefully. It's a good idea to double check the spelling before moving on, since Facebook has policies about how often you can change your name and what kinds of names are allowed. After entering the new name, click Review Change. Facebook will then show you a preview of how your updated name may appear. At this point, choose your preferred name format. This lets you decide how your first, middle, or last name will be displayed on your profile. Once you've selected the format you want, you'll be asked to enter your password. This is a security step to confirm that it's really you making the change. Type in your password, then click Save Changes. After that, your request will be submitted, and in many cases, the change takes effect quickly. If Facebook needs to review it, it may take a little longer. Also keep in mind that Facebook's name standards are designed to encourage people to use the name they go by in everyday life. So if your update doesn't go through right away, you may need to check whether it meets their guidelines. And that's it. That's how to change your name on Facebook. Just follow these steps carefully, review everything before saving, and your profile name should be updated in just a few moments.